With an advanced AI language model, lots of advanced cameras and sensors, and lifelike animations and emotions, the BabyAlpha is an adorable pet bot for your home that also serves many other functions. So hit subscribe now and we'll check out exactly what this thing can do. So full disclosure before we get started though, the video is sponsored by Wayland and they've sent me the BabyAlpha intelligent pet bot to showcase to you guys. So from the minute the BabyAlpha wakes up, it surprised me by just how lifelike and animated it is, and it pretty much looks like a real cartoon dog. It can walk around, talk to you, and it's got plenty of animations like sitting, turning around, and even peeing or pooping. Now its main function is of course to be a pet, but we can also ask it questions, we can use it as a remote control dog, and we can even set it to patrol the house as well as taking video calls with it, so we'll just check out some of the features now. This is also an early model, so it's currently woken up by saying xiao bai, but in the final version it's going to be called Aches, and currently it also understands and speaks both English and Chinese. There are plenty of tricks it can do as a pet, so we're just going to take a look at a few examples here. Turn around. Shake hands. Poop. Pee. Dance. Now, as well as this, we can simply just talk and ask it questions, and thanks to its advanced AI language model, it replies quickly and precisely, and it allows you to have a seamless conversation with it, so we'll just take a look at exactly how that works now. What day is it today? I forgot.
Today is Monday.
And are we in October?
Yes, we are in October.
Oh good, how are you today?
I'm feeling great. How about you?
Yeah, I'm feeling great as well. Are you up to much today?
I'm just exploring and having fun. What about you?
Oh, I'm just looking for something to do. What's your favourite movie or TV show?
I don't watch TV, but I love stories with happy endings. What's your favorite?
I don't know, I can't think of one at the moment. I was just wondering, can you tell me how big Europe is?
Europe is about 10 million square kilometers big. It's a big place with lots to see.
Oh wow, that is big. Can you tell me what that is in miles?
Sure. It's about 3.9 million square miles. That's big.
Oh good, well thank you for that. Right, I've got to get back on with some work. See you later.
Okay. Have a great time working.
And you.
See you later.
Bye. So even as a robot dog to just walk around your house, talk to, and keep you or the kids entertained, the BabyAlpha does a great job, but it can also do a lot more. For a start, we've got the remote control mode, and this allows you to fully control the BabyAlpha forwards, backwards, left and right, as well as being able to turn it around. We've also got plenty of animation shortcuts that you can choose from on your phone as well, so you just tap the one you want and it will do it. So with this, you could manually walk around and entertain others, and the live feed on your phone gives you a great view of what BabyAlpha can see. Now the BabyAlpha also comes with a hand remote you can put on your finger, so if you don't want to use your phone and you just want to do it quickly, then you can use that instead. Now next we've got video calling, and you can get BabyAlpha to take video calls for you, and as you can see it shows you the other person through its face, and then the other person can see what BabyAlpha can see thanks to its built-in camera, so this is a great solution.
Yeah, good. I was just about to put the coffee machine on. You want one?
Yes please. Alright, thanks, bye.
No worries.
And we've also got the patrol mode that's going to make the BabyAlpha patrol around, and while it's in this mode it's not going to respond to any motion commands that you ask it to, and we can even have it in guard mode or set a guard schedule, so it's also acting as some sort of home security. Now finally in the functions menu we've got what's called touch to go. This is another remote control mode, but it's an easier way of navigating, as you simply just press on the screen where you want the BabyAlpha to walk and it goes there, and we can also turn left or right in here as well. Now when it comes to charging, if you also get the charging dock, you can use the remote control to show BabyAlpha where the charging dock is. It's then going to remember its location, and anytime it runs out of battery or you ask it to sleep, then it's going to walk over to the dock, lie down on top of it and start charging itself. In the app's control center, we've also got speed adjustment, and in here you can choose from 0 to 10 at how fast you want BabyAlpha to move, as well as setting its volume. But to be honest, I've just kept the volume set to 10, and that's been the perfect volume for me. And then finally, we've also got a restricted mobility mode. If you don't want BabyAlpha to just walk around everywhere and you want to restrict it to a certain space. The app also has a tutorial hub, and this is going to help you get started with BabyAlpha. We've even got the Wayland lab for those of you that want to get into the programming logic, but that's going to be far too much to go into in this video. Now when it comes to the packaging, as I said, this is an early version, but the packaging is good, so I imagine it's going to stay the same or very similar for the final release. But you can see when we open up the box, we've got a nice padded box with the BabyAlpha inside. And this is going to be great for storage as well as if you need to transport it. If we open up the top, you can see we've got the BabyAlpha inside, and it's positioned so it's ready to turn on from the get-go, and then they've also sent me a UK plug adapter. Now in the box at the back, you can see we've got plenty of stickers for those of you that want to customize the BabyAlpha to your liking, and we've then got the charging brick with the USB-C cable, and then finally we've got the hand remote for those of you that want to control the BabyAlpha that way. Now the second package I've got here is just the charging dock, which I showed you a minute ago, and it comes in a few pieces that are easy to assemble, and then you just plug in a USB-C cable. Now overall I have to say I'm impressed with the BabyAlpha, mainly for how big and lifelike it is for a cartoon dog, but it's also very impressive in its ability to seamlessly talk to you and have a proper conversation, as well as its ability to see and follow you around. If you've got kids and you don't want them to have a real dog, then it's certainly lifelike enough to keep them entertained. And of course, I've placed a link down in the description below for the BabyAlpha pet bot, so make sure you go ahead and check that out now. So hopefully I've covered everything for you in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.